Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, Google AdWords made simple a step-by-step guide. Google AdWords. I don't get it. I have friend who incomplete and soon this starting making some money. This starting taking in about kindly investment. Real estate sponsored to be good. I want a big angel investor. Any tip? My usually response AdWords will the return of the big complex selling great product and what does you do run off and try to put these in money anything expert this owner business would not does and sell more this product duplicate down what is already working instead starting pains to feed you know nothing about Google AdWords is usually access what does it if my friend went to 10x they invest money and say 15 these can speed hundreds over typing and becomes your good anchors invest to learn everything about it your hope and land invest in next Facebook which almost impossible to some in real estate trying sank cheap improvement count and flipped easily but still hard spitting 10 hours learning Google ads of just some who is invest in $5,000 in Google if AdWords campaigns to make $500 in sales which is your things in likely pain out open 3 it is no banners today went is open back box that's Google AdWords the most people and show when to how to get started reviews and engineer your way to successful if you know and cost any majority of product AdWords really easy way to get money first and boosting rural fragment prestige point AdWords result and 288 14 visit your site this normal and impression total global compression revenues and rural if you don't know what is rural and manage and studied return invest it they explained the very $1,000 spent your ads would make $313 back so could your turns $100 into $413 in your money and swallow your with AdWords and get risk 90% in which friendly went to 10x split money difference which reached and but you are starting being in Google Ad tutorial overviews my brand and butter in ISO first place in starting when grow in the new site content and like go sticky I recommend it most of time explain with your need result now SEO content powerful simply but the most profitable and we sales website in long terms but you take time I request letter prices AdWords the optional offset site you get to get running the lost in others and can also edit it's easily and right by reading in risk guide you can start generating new sales this and hours and best party professional basic he what this means very target about pay per clicks and PPC advertisement before I defend other advertising models like banner ads which CPM cost per thousand impression. Basic you are not pay. State payment result, not click. Return on sales. Don't pay simply that's but this in benefit when people go to Google try looking some especially that means these have interest in activities looking for something to buy this library in training what is instead by and typing out word around it your product service that's why Google AdWords is powerful and profitable. This better for SEM search engine marketing out there out of every $3 spent on advertisement. Google get one in advertisement the single generate source and revenues over 95%. Others is 600 billion 6,016 dollars $16 billion any revenues from an advertising complaint with fake these 1 millions of business and company salary sponsor many this this guy is not paying around it eligible views status eligible clicks impression CTR CPC cost LC only display LC only LC only display like it and LC mobiles YouTube sponsor video campaign zero cooking quick grid mounted display views and Google AdWords marketing campaigns pay your have to other website ranking in the top search result page basic of keywords lets your hosting with other 4 seconds Google love big and brand in original search ranking so unclear big brand going with target outrank Popper joins and demo in ranking so no matters no and matches your pitch in hosting against betters adverse you lost and cheat instead waiting in around it banning state content and like our cost few per month your jumps and strategy possible about Greg and Applesense and form demonstrate for the best keywords this industry and the risk price and some needed available when don't need it so similar and bring industry drug and sleeper and look a few minutes or straight month SU at work give letters extra bonus and you can help revenues money and keywords your industry so just spending a few break with discover with keywords concentrate fast and take content SEO strategy the advice making work action and click highest bid does anyways when in Google constant money factor with quality factor which intro others created facts explained at your message industry if you responded best vendor in target Google AdWords in category but easy it is taking master most campaigns and lost basic particular get result pay per click advertising guide I wait to have start simply before we promotion your content. Three thing I don't spending money sect fixed in dark you can later is $500 hour 25 then target get started don't compare this the Google advice and if easy start created doesn't visual keep simply do later platform allow a big this most improvement money advice simply quick spend too much in fact have your particular can promote that rested how to use Google AdWords Re- replacing our views. First, we get to started with basic the everyone the some page is some basic terms needed AdWords purchase schedule and adds your keywords pick Google content the clicks ads and charges your click these also content info impression which is simply numbers of these of turn and ad already have shown been user search the keywords if you don't click an information you get click target of CTR this just instead of the use and advertising page basically click it on your ads that information basic tells in advice which Google Ads like action basic your bids in bid how much you are waiting and pay click maximum bids Google only show ads and simply others Google went to maximum revenues so show and complete they did headless content bidding optimization impression the big the four your make activity up to your cost per click CPC lowers and maximum bid especially your ads professional revenues of website and trick ads Google does in just highlights hider non all thing in matters not every constant in some cases action make something purchase campaigns offer quickie 1000 AdWords per advertisement because in daily unclicks views and process image credit 10 defense complaints visitor keywords with 10 daily figures and around it. This concept and will starting I take target step your account source tag and click target rounded then but first here deploy and drive Google AdWords article work and think how much do you have to pay how does your Google AdWords work back all days and almost any keywords matter so it is suggest action but fact and revise between which some is was searching and what you are editing advertisement they quickly start changing target the metric campaign service factor order if a document good your offer in for some searching bookkill and up to cases about get kindliness and critical understanding basic you are going and speeding thousands of cash most so bought and return pricing this time in party revenue but depended on particular each ID way to spans possible. For example, make main created individual ads of every basic sound and factor into account click that basic your ads impression views and active you click and target CTR the calculation and click a higher CTR correctly manage your ad keyword revenues and better so Google and Base look order CTR also forex future and orders demand how to ads next account history and constant more price campaigns get next day and forward directly. Find new keyword and get searching volume data. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.